Kusasa kuzobe kuhlangana inyanga kwaqala izinxushunxushu phakathi kwe-Israel nePalestine. Sebengaphezulu kweyinkulungwane eziyishumi abantu abashone kulolu dungunyana. Ikhabhinethi lakuleli lithi uhulumeni wakwa-Israel akawuhloniphi umthetho wamazwe omhlaba.
Cabinet is disappointed by the refusal of the Israeli government to respect international law and the United Nations resolutions with impunity. A genocide under the watch of the international community cannot be tolerated.
Ikhabhinethi lithi likhathazekile ngokuthi inxusa lakwa-Israel lilokhu likhipha amagama aziswana kulabo abazwelana nePalestine. Manje-ke iNingizimu Afrika isinqume ukuhoxisa wonke amanxusa akuleli e-Israel.
And the South African government has decided to withdraw all its diplomats in Tel Aviv for consultation. Cabinet has also noted the continuing disparaging remarks of the Israeli ambassador to South Africa about those who are opposing the atrocities and the genocide of the Israeli government. This is despite the condemnation by the previous ambassadors of Israel to South Africa, who were clear that the acts of the Israeli government are a repeat of apartheid and not different to the apartheid antics.
Kusenjalo kumenyezelwe impelasonto yangomhla ka-18 no-19 kuLwezi njengempelasonto yokubhalisela ukuvota okhethweni lwangonyaka ozayo, kanti ukubhalisela ukuvota online khona ke selokhu kwaqala ngoNhlolanja.